Hello and welcome back. Last class we discussed the importance of our environmental impact and how carbon emissions are a known major form of global warming and environmental change. Americans currently make up 5% of the world's population, yet create 50% of the world's waste. Just think about all the negative effects that we can have on the environment. For now, we'll focus our warnings on the four main areas where we overproduce carbon. Let's take a closer look at our negative effects. Our first category is home energy. A home energy bill of $100 will pollute the environment with 10,000 pounds of carbon emissions. If you heat your house or your apartment with oil, electricity, or gas, you're creating harmful carbon dioxide. If you stubbornly keep your heater on 70 degrees rather than 65, your heating bill will increase by 10% and you will add to pollution. Our second section is driving. Sadly, simply driving 12,000 miles will add to the environment 9,000 pounds of carbon dioxide. If you're driving, that means that you're either using petrol or oil, which creates CO2. Even worse, if your car has poor gas mileage or is in poor condition, the pollution you create could be a lot more. Our third section is on flying. Even one short flight produces 1,000 pounds of CO2 pollution. Every time you fly, you are responsible for harmful jet fuel burnoff, which adds CO2 to the environment. 1 ton of carbon dioxide is released when you travel 5,000 miles in an airplane. Our fourth category is consuming. Buying and consuming products leads to tons of carbon dioxide. When you buy products or power your gadgets, there are loads of way the environment's impacted, such as if you never recycle aluminum, then you're adding 160 pounds of carbon emissions to the environment. Get excited about buying new clothes for the holiday season? Then you're adding 800 pounds of carbon dioxide pollution to the environment. After you calculate your carbon footprint, it's likely that most of you guys will realize that your number is higher than you would have expected. The bad news is that many of you won't be willing to try the many strategies that exist to help you lower your carbon footprint.